Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve pyramid problems. Right function accepts a positive number and the function should console log a pyramid shape with n levels using hash character. Make sure the pyramid has spaces on both the left and the right hand sides. Right. So it's pretty straightforward, I think. But remember, there are spaces as well, not only the hash. So with the 3-level pyramids, the hash is in the middle of the whole line. It's kind of expands the width and it goes down to form the shape of the pyramid. So I think for this kind of problem we have to formalize it. Let's say for n levels, one thing to notice is every level has the same width. It's just different in the way you distribute the hash in the spaces. And I think we must calculate the width, line width somehow. For the 3 levels, let's say for n3, so n is equal to 3. N is equal to 3, line width equal to let's say as you can see, we can divide it into, to balance to left and right, okay? So the middle one is count as 1, and like the left is 2 and the right is 2. So how about 2 times 2's plus 1, and 2 here is actually n minus 1 times 2, right, plus 1. So the line width is like this. So probably we want to the second problem is to distribute the hash in the correct positions. Like for the first line, let's say e y I equal to 0, I equal to 0, yeah, I equal to 1, I equal to 2. So let's say the hash for I equal to, as you can see, the hash is always in the middle, And how about finding the middle index, right? So so when we know the middle index, we can expand left and right depending on the what line it is to calculate the index range. So for example, here there's find the width, line width is 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 with middle index. And for the first line, the range is middle index minus I, right, to middle index plus I. So let's say if I equal to 1, if I equal to 1, middle index is 2, 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1, so becomes 1 and 3. So from index, it means from index 1 to index 3, it's a range of hashes, right? Same for the last line as well. So there are we saw two subproblems, which is the line width and also the hashes range. Let's go to the function. Function pyramid, taking the n levels. I'm going to try to calculate the line width. Constant line width equal to n minus 1 times 2 plus 1. How about the middle index? 5, for this guy hit 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 round to 2. So got middle index equal to let's say net 9 divided by 2. We want to round it down with the index. So the n level, so we need to run a loop n times let go to I equals 0, I less than n plus current line, stop current line equal to empty string. We have to build up the string and finally build this line, and after that we'll print the current line. In order to build a line, we build a line. To build a line with which line? Let's say it simply by use a loop. We'll use a loop for the j 0 j as a line width plus line width. So if the index is between the range that we calculated here, then we add hash to the current line. Otherwise, we add empty. We add a space. So if j greater than or equal to middle index minus I and j equal to middle index plus I, then current line plus hash character. Otherwise, current line displays. Let's test it. Awesome. Thank you for watching.